Hey everyone, Dean here. Today we're tackling a common question. How can I eat healthy without breaking the bank? Discover 19 tips to eat well and save money. One of the simplest ways to eat healthy on a budget is to plan your meals ahead of time. When you plan your meals, you create a shopping list based on exactly what you need. This means no more impulse buys or tossing out wilted produce. Knowing what you're going to eat helps you make healthier choices and resist takeout. Once I started planning my meals, I saved money and ate healthier. Trust me, meal planning is a game changer. Let's talk about smart shopping strategies that can save you serious cash. First up, buying in bulk. Look for deals on larger quantities of staples. Explore store brands. They're often just as good as name brands but cheaper. Master spotting sales and discounts. Check weekly flyers and online coupons. Many stores have apps with exclusive deals. Every dollar saved adds up. Let's debunk the myth that superfoods have to be expensive. There are plenty of budget-friendly options packed with nutrients. Take eggs, for example. They're a powerhouse of protein and essential vitamins and minerals. Another fantastic option is canned salmon or sardines. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, great for your heart and brain health. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be added to salads, sandwiches, or enjoyed on their own. Did you know the average household wastes a lot of food each year? That's like throwing money away. Proper storage is key. Set your refrigerator to the right temperature and store fruits and vegetables separately. Get creative with leftovers. Repurpose them into delicious new meals. Leftover chicken can be soup or salad. And those overripe bananas, perfect for banana bread or smoothies. One of the best ways to eat healthy on a budget is to embrace cooking at home. It's cheaper than eating out and gives you control over ingredients and portion sizes. Don't worry if you're not a seasoned chef. There are countless easy and affordable recipes for beginners. Start with simple dishes like stir fries, soups, or one-pan meals, and expand your culinary skills as you gain confidence. Want to save money and enjoy fresh produce? Embrace the beauty of seasonal eating. Fruits and vegetables are more affordable and flavorful in season. Check out your local farmers markets or join a community-supported agriculture or CSA program to get the best deals on seasonal produce. Not sure what to do with all that fresh goodness? A quick online search will yield countless recipes. Don't underestimate frozen and canned foods. They can be as nutritious as fresh produce and more affordable. Frozen fruits and vegetables are picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen. Canned beans and lentils are budget-friendly protein and fiber sources. Choose low-sodium varieties and rinse before using. Adding plant-based proteins to your diet saves money and boosts health. Beans and lentils are versatile, affordable sources of protein and nutrients. Tofu, tempeh, and seitan are great options for various dishes. Pre-packaged snacks can put a serious dent in your wallet, and they're often loaded with added sugars and unhealthy fats. Making your own snacks at home is easy and affordable. Try making your own trail mix with nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Slice up some fruits and vegetables for a nutritious snack. Or make energy balls with dates, nuts, and superfoods. Eating healthy on a budget doesn't mean sacrificing flavor or variety. One of my go-to meals is a simple stir fry. Saute your favorite vegetables with tofu or tempeh, add a flavorful sauce, and serve over brown rice or quinoa. Another favorite is lentil soup. It's hearty, flavorful, and packed with protein and fiber. A great meal prep option for the week. Countless easy, affordable recipes are both delicious and nutritious. Short on time during the week? Bulk cooking is your new best friend. Spend a few hours on the weekend prepping a large batch of meals. Soups, stews, chilies, and casseroles are great options. Portion them into containers and freeze. You'll thank yourself later with a healthy meal ready in minutes. Don't be afraid to reach out for support. If you're struggling to afford healthy food, many communities offer valuable resources to help those in need. Food banks provide free groceries to families facing food insecurity. Community gardens offer a chance to grow fresh produce and connect with others. Even with limited space, you can enjoy the satisfaction and savings of growing your own food. Herbs are easy to grow indoors and add flavor to any dish. On a small balcony, grow tomatoes, peppers, or lettuce in containers. Save money on groceries and enjoy the freshest produce. Processed foods are often more expensive than whole foods, and they're loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium. Minimize processed foods to save money and improve health. Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, proteins, and healthy fats. Never underestimate the power of a well-crafted shopping list. Plan your meals for the week and make a list before heading to the grocery store. This helps you stay focused and avoid impulse purchases. Stick to your list and resist tempting but unnecessary treats. A well-planned list is your secret weapon for staying on budget and making healthy choices. Don't be afraid to shop around and compare prices. Different stores often have different prices for the same items. Pay attention to unit prices on the shelf tag. This helps compare costs of different brands and sizes. Compare prices at different stores in your area and stock up when you find a good deal. Embrace store brands. Store brand products are often just as good as name brands but cheaper. Stores have private label brands for many products, from canned goods to frozen foods. Try store brands and see for yourself. You might be surprised at the quality and savings. Coupons and discounts are your best friends for saving money on groceries. Check newspapers, online coupon sites, and grocery store apps for regular product discounts. Many stores offer loyalty programs with exclusive discounts and rewards. Sign up and take advantage of the savings they offer. Water is the best and most affordable way to stay hydrated. Sugary drinks are bad for your health and expensive. Make water your go-to beverage. Carry a reusable water bottle and fill it up. Add fruit or herbs for a flavorful twist. There you have it. 19 actionable tips to help you eat healthy without breaking the bank. Small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating a few tips into your routine and see how they work for you. Nourish your body with delicious, nutritious food. Embrace the journey to a healthier and happier you without the stress of overspending. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.